Okay. Hey, Chico Pants. Hi, Chico. Are you swinging? Are you swinging, sweetie? Do you like it? It's kind of cold out here. Okay, Jack, come closer. Mommy's gonna push.
Kind of what?
Kind of cold. Oh, Pooper. Okay. Come, lift up your feet. You gotta come closer. Whee! There goes Spider-Man. See, Chico is laughing. Can you give Jack a big push so I can keep pushing him? Go from behind. Pooper, hello. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Whee! Oh, it'd be funny if you knocked your grouchy sister onto her butt. Look at that! Optimus just climbed up into the treehouse. He went up the ladder. What a stupid cat. Oh my god. He's nuts. I didn't know he could climb up the ladder. You should put a bed up there for him. What?
He's a good climber.
He's a good climber, hey Pooper? Whee!
We're good climbers.